How to reset Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to reset your Windows 10 or 11 and if you want to format your laptop, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, now here on the left you will have find a setting option. You just need to simply go with it. And once you search for reset, you will have reset this PC option. Just click on it and it will take you to reset this PC page. Now here you will have recovery options. Under that you will have reset this PC. And from here you just need to simply go with reset PC, which is on the right side. Now after that you can go with keep my files or remove everything. So if you have any important files on your laptop or your PC, then you just need to simply go with keep my files, which will keep your files, but it will remove all of the apps and settings, but keep your personal files. And if you choose the second option, which is remove everything, then it will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So for example, I'll be choosing keep my files, which is the first option. And after that, you will have this kind of interface, which is how would you like to reinstall Windows? If you choose cloud download, then it will download and reinstall the Windows. But if you choose the local reinstall, then it will reinstall the Windows from the device itself, because you will have a copy of your Windows on your laptop. So you can go with local reinstall, but if it doesn't work, then you can go with cloud download. So cloud download might take more than 4 GB of your data. So you just need to simply go with cloud download. Make sure that you have some data on your laptop and go with back, select, and after that you just need to simply go with next. And if you want to change any settings, you can simply go with change settings and go with next. Once you go with next, now if you've not plugged in your charger, then make sure that you've plugged in your charger, because your PC or your laptop might restart a multiple of times and it needs the battery. So you just need to simply plug in. Once you plug in the charger, then it will start resetting this PC, and that's how you can reset your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.